I like this part of the onion, but I don't really like the big chunks like that. I didn't know you were taping. You want to watch Totoro? Oh. Or Panyo? More.
Avi, don't put those wheels in your mouth. No, thank you. No, thank you, Avi.
No.
Hey,
Not your mouth.
I'm gonna take the car away if you put that wheel in your mouth.
Wow.
Yeah, keep it on the ground.
Where? Done eating? Did he say No. Wanna wipe your hands? I'll wipe them for you if you don't want to. Okay. There's cheese all over 'em. You're welcome. What's that song? Okay, I'm gonna get down. Totoro? You wanna watch Totoro? Oh. Watch Totoro? Let's ask Dad if he wants to watch Totoro.
You know I want to watch Totoro.
Dad wants to watch Totoro. So I guess that's a yes. Yeah, maybe I'll watch some of it too. Yes? Yeah, you want to show Dad how fast that car goes now? Okay, let's show him. Let's put it on the ground and show Dad. Will you watch it, Avy? Here we go.
Whoa! Whoa! It's still going. Avi, that car is so cool. Do you like it? Do you think it's cool? Say it. Yeah, it's fast. Fast people. Oh, fast table. Alright, I think this video is long enough.
No.
Don't bite the table.